Hello and welcome to lesson 314, draw a strip diagram and write an equation. So today's really important because we're going to look at how to dissect problem solving and how strip diagrams and equations can help us figure out how to solve a question. So it says Kevin took 139 photos and 109 high definition photos on a field trip. Marco took 2 times as many standard photos and 3 times as many high definition photos. How many photos did Marco take? So our equation that we're going to write for this one, so we have 139 standard photos and he took 2 times as many. So times, remember, means to multiply. So we know we have 139 times 2, and then we have 109 high definition and 3 times as many. That times means to multiply. So then we have 109 times 3. So let's multiply. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Now it says, how many photos did Marco take? Well, it wants to know how many, not how many more. So we are going to just add them together. So we have 327 plus 278, 15, 10, and 6. So he took 605 photos. So let's look at some strip diagrams. So it says complete the labels for the strip diagram and write an equation. So it says Sharon's stationery store has 219 boxes of cards. May's Market has 3 times as many boxes of cards. How many boxes of cards does Mary's Market have? So we have B is the boxes of cards. We know May has 3 times as many, so that's why they have 3 of Sharon's, 1. So then what is our equation? Our equation would be 3 times 219. So this is just asking to write an equation, and now we can solve it. So we're going to bring it over here so we have some space. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. So my answer is 657. Let's go down to 6. It says there are 8 theaters at the mall. Each of 7 theaters has 175 seats. The mall's theaters have 1,550 seats in all. How many seats are in the 18 theaters? So let's look at our strip diagram. We want to know how many seats there are, so there's a question mark. We know that there are 8 theaters in the mall. Each of the 7 theaters have 175. So here's our 7 theaters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they each have 175. So it says the mall has a total of 1,550. So first we need to figure out how much is in the 7, and then we can figure out the 8. So this is our first step. This answer will go in this box. So we're going to do 175 times 7 because it's the same number in every box. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49, 50, 51, 52, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know in this box we have 1,225. So now when you have your total and a box here, how do you figure out this box? You subtract. Good job. So you have 1,550 minus 1,225. Can't do that, so we need to borrow. That gives me 5, 2, 3. So this theater has 325 seats. All right. Let's look at one more. Number 9. Sandy is 13 years old. Carla's strip diagram shows that she is 3 times Sandy's age. Which equation represents A, Carla's age? So we can see Sandy's 13 years old. That's what it says here. Carla shows that she is 3 times Sandy's age. So she did Sandy's age 3 times. So which one of these is going to solve it? Well, we know that we are going to be doing timesing, so we need this middle part to be multiplication. So which 2 can we automatically cross out? C and D. So now we have 3 and we have 4. Well, we're only looking at Carla's. So how many are in Carla's? 3, which makes A our answer.